up, stack, get right, put the gun up, laugh, get nice, split the blunt up, pray blue and whites don't run up, remain humble. You see the change when the rains come through, when all the fame ups your game, cause your name's mumble. The chicks notice, users like hypnosis, it's ferocious when broke niggas get focused. The cars come out, bottles at the bar run out. You know you're large when you in car, can dodge a drought. But hit the twist up with beef and the money mix up. Skirts lift up, a few fights, few stick ups. Then one little thing just leads to the next. And here come them hot boys to breathe down your neck. Now you gotta back up, flee from the rest. And just a week ago you was free from the stress. I guess it is what it is.
Creeping on the come up. Streets is yours for the taking. Creeping on the come up.
I'm from the place where hardcore is beautiful.
Creeping on the come up. Streets is yours for the taking. I'm rather unique.
I'm from the place.
So, you know the saga, who lava, who hotter, who shot at, who at the Ramada. I knew about beats since Bambada, before Beat Streets was heavily deep with them riders. Guns and money, some was hungry, dysfunctional families, they come from junkies, jailbirds who wanted warrants, jumping countries, just jungle surviving like a bunch of monkeys. Mark dollars, DEA knocks with collars, niggas snitching, and still got the heart to holler. Hot chicks in short skirts and damn near topless, play fly, they gossip, stay high, just ride dick. Can't call it too fresh to spoil it. Two texts to Warwick, grew up next to all this. So understand, I know from first hand the lives of a church man, high off his first brand.
Creeping on the come up. Streets is yours for the taking. Creeping on the come up.
I'm from the place where hardcore is beautiful.
Creeping on the come up. Streets is yours for the taking. I'm rather unique.
I'm from the place.
So, the jails is packed, the streets is whack. It's even worse when your workers tapping your beef for sack. Wifey's getting feisty, she's beefing back. Though it's unlikely, it might be a visa's max. The coke is up, so now cushion throws what's up. And the Vegans got the game in the Cobra clutch. The D's and Nugget Breeze too close to duck. But what the fuck, they can suck on some coconuts. The stress is real, it drains all the sex appeal. Nothing left but jail death for a record deal. Vibes is weak, hoes wanna slide and creep. Even fiends got a thing for that hide and seek. Stick up kids, kidnap, switch up cribs. It's still crazy how them cocksuckers hit up big. Pockets gone, the state of hip hop is born. You want more than log on to az.com.
Creeping on the come up. Streets is yours for the taking. Creeping on the come up.
I'm from the place where hardcore is beautiful.
Creeping on the come up. Streets is yours for the taking. I'm rather unique.
I'm from the place.
Cooking soul.
No, I'm
Yeah, Big L, Corleone, my nigga C-Town, my big brother Big Lee holding it down. Flamboyant, baby, for life. We taking over, no doubt. Coming to a theater near you. Check it out. Come on, check it. Make sure my mic is loud and my production is tight. Better watch me round your girl if you ain't fucking her right. You damn player haters never wanna see me blow. Flamboyant entertainment, CEO. Yo, the spotlight is mine, it ain't his no more. When Lee come home, niggas can't live no more. And I'm straight, keep a Harlem world mind state. I never lounge where you find Jake. Surprise niggas like a blind date. L rhyme great, and I'ma increase the crime rate for old time's sake. Run with me and I'ma make you a star. When me and my crew hit the clubs, we go straight to the bar. Leave them empty. I cruise through Harlem in the M3. Never pay for parties, say my name and I'm in free. I'm on some 100G car shit, superstar shit. Selling niggas that wet shit, right out the jar shit. I'm dumb hot. I'll wreck you and your young flock. Keep the gun cocked, represent one block. 139, nigga, the danger zone. We quick to put a bullet in the stranger's dome. I'm known to kick a rough rhyme and rock one shine. Yo, I'm out, I done took up enough time. Queens most, we bust till your whole team goes. Everywhere we go, we must bring toast forever. Popping the chrome, always dropping a poem. I can write it or recite it off the top of the dome. However you want it, that's how I'ma give it to you. Big L style. They brought it back to the streets cause that shit sell now. So pal, back up a bit, give me some elbow space. I represent Harlem World, not Melrose Place. So I'ma lace the jewels up with nice baguettes. Flamboyant is the label that writes the checks. Y'all niggas better stop frontin' cause I might get vexed. Then I'ma run up on y'all and slice your necks with a machete. Pockets heavy, sling more cane than Eddie. I represent Uno Tres Nueve. Time is money so I stay late. I'm quick to start a playmate. Bust off like a straight eight to vacate. Flamboyant, a smooth kid that'll run up in your baby mother. Corleone is too advanced for y'all. I'm a pimped out nigga. Corleone is too advanced for y'all. What?
Cooking soul, cooking soul, cooking soul.